Hearty welcome to all knowledge seekers to my channel. This is Dr. Madhusudan Rao Kadapa. In this video, I am going to explain the simplification of some problems using algebraic expressions. Here we use these formulae for simplification. First one is a plus b whole square. So you know very well that a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Or if the given problem is in the form a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square divided by a plus b, then the answer will be a plus b, because in a plus b whole square there are two factors. One factor is in the denominator, then the other factor is on the right hand side. Next, a minus b whole square, this is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. In the same way, if the given problem is in this form, a square minus 2ab plus b square by a minus b, then we can write it like equal to a minus b. And a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Or if the given problem is of the form a square minus b square divided by a plus b, then the answer is a minus b. Or otherwise a square minus b square divided by a minus b is equal to a plus b. So here we are using different forms of the algebraic equations and these formulae. So in the given problem we will try to identify which form it is actually. So a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, if you expand, what you get is, in a plus b whole square you will get plus 2ab, in a minus b whole square you will get minus 2ab, these two gets cancelled. So a square plus a square is 2a square and b square plus b square is 2b square. So the 2ab terms will get cancelled. So taking out 2 as common factor, you will get 2 into a square plus b square. Or otherwise, if the problem is of the form a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square divided by a square plus b square, then no need to solve this, you can directly write it is equal to 2. Next, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So in this equation what happens, in a plus b whole square we have a square plus 2ab plus b square. In a minus b whole square we have a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this minus of minus will become plus 2ab, but these two, a square and b square, gets cancelled because of the opposite sign. So finally we get 4ab on simplification. If the given problem is of the form is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square divided by ab, then the answer is straight away 4. And a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And in the same way, a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or we can write it as a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. In the same way, a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, or else it is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. And the next formula is a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Here the right hand side is a product of two factors. So if the given problem is of the form a cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus b square, then the answer is straight away a plus b. Then a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. In the same way we can write a cube minus b cube divided by a square plus ab plus b square is equal to a minus b. And two more simple expressions are a into b plus c equal to ab plus ac, or vice versa. If the given problem is of the form ab plus ac, then we can take out the common factor a, so we get a into b plus c. In the same way, a into b minus c equal to ab minus ac, or vice versa, ab minus ac equal to a into b minus c. Now let us solve a few problems using the expressions or formulae explained. Now 1008 into 992. So no need to multiply these two numbers and to find the product. Here 1008 means 1008 and 992. If you observe these two numbers, 1008 is 8 more than 1000 and this 992 is 8 less than 1000. So you can write this one as 1000 plus 8 into 1000 minus 8. Then on simplification you get 1000 square is 10 lakh minus 8 square is 64. So the answer is 9,99,936 and the answer is D. Now we have another problem. This one is of the form a square minus b square. So 106 into 106 minus 94 into 94. These are the four choices for the answer. Now we can write this a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. So 106 plus 94 is 200. 106 minus 94 is 12. 200 into 12 it is 2400. So the answer is A. So moving on to the next problem. Here 397 into 397 plus 103 into 103 plus 2 into 397 into 103. So here the problem is of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write this as a plus b whole square. So 397 plus 103 whole square, which is 500 square, which is equal to 2,50,000. So the answer is B. Next, this is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 186 into 186 minus 2 into 186 into 136 plus 136 into 136. So this is a minus b whole square. On simplification we get a is 186 minus b is 136 squared. So 186 minus 136 is 50. 50 square is 2500. So the answer is A. Next, 14,927 into 567 plus 14,927 into 433. Now if you observe in these two, 14,927 is the common factor. So you can write this AB plus AC in the form A into B plus C. So here B is 567 and C is 433. Adding these two will get 1000. So 14,927 multiplied by 1000 is 1,49,27,000. So the answer here, without any confusion, you can say the answer is A. Now 587 multiplied by 999. Now 999 is 1 less than 1000. So we can write this one as 587 into 1000 minus 1. So this is 5,87,000. 587 into 1000 is 5,87,000 minus 587 into 1 587. On simplification we get 5,86,413. So the answer is B. Now this problem, if you observe, here in the numerator we have 946 plus 157 whole square plus 946 minus 157 whole square. This is of the form a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square divided by 946 into 946 plus 157 into 157. So this is of the form a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square divided by a square plus b square, which is equal to 2. Straight away I have given this formula in the earlier slide. So answer is B. In the same way, if the problem is of the form a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square by a into b, so here we have 569 plus 163 whole square minus 569 minus 163 whole square divided by 569 into 163. So simply we can say the answer is 4. Here this is the formula, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square by ab, which is equal to 4. So the answer is A. The next problem, this is a verbal one. The sum and product of two numbers is 12 and 35. The sum of their reciprocals is. So we don't know the two numbers. Let us take them as A and B. So sum of the two numbers is A plus B equal to 12, and the product of the two numbers A into B is 35. Then we want the sum of their reciprocals. So the sum of reciprocals is 1 by A plus 1 by B. Now on simplification we get, that is by taking LCM we get A plus B in the numerator and AB in the denominator. So it is B plus A by AB. B plus A or A plus B is 12 and AB is 35. So 12 by 35 is the answer. So answer is B. In the next problem, this is a simplification where we use the a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 64 square minus 36 square equal to 20 into x. Then what is x? Now we can write 64 square minus 36 square as 64 plus 36 multiplied by 64 minus 36, which is equal to 20 into x. So on simplification we get this 64 plus 36 is 100, 64 minus 36 is 28 equal to 20 into x. On simplification this 20 divides 100 5 times, so 5 into 28, so x equal to 140. So the answer is D. Thanks for watching this video, and for more videos on arithmetic and reasoning problems, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.